Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, you're welcome. Now in today's video I'm actually going to be showing you how to look younger, okay, after childbirth or after a long day job or after a very rough skin, okay. So this is actually going to help you so much to whoop out all of those stuff, and it's going to make you look super glowing. It's going to scrub out all of those dead skin cells. So let me take you right into this video without wasting any more time. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share the video. And now let's go. Alright guys, so to get a younger skin after childbirth, okay, you would have to be needing potato. Now potato is a great remedy that helps to renew the skin. It helps to scrub out dead skin cells and also leave the skin looking young and supple. It makes your whole skin really glowing. Yeah, so I'm gonna be peeling the potato. Alright, so now we would have to be creating this, and you can actually blend it, but I'm gonna be creating mine. Alright, so now I would have to be turning it into the sieve and then pressing it to extract the juice. Okay guys, so you can either use the juice of this potato, or you can just blend it and use the whole goodness. Yeah, so this is it, and you have to stir it so that the starch can be mixed together with the juice. Then we're going to be making use of egg. Now egg is a natural tightening remedy that firms up the skin. It helps to reduce the size of large and open pores, and it also makes your skin look younger and more radiant. So using egg on the skin would help to remove fine lines and as well as wrinkles and make you look really beautiful. So I'm going to be breaking in the egg, and for this I'm going to be putting all of the goodness of this egg, both the egg white and also the egg yolk. Now after putting that, I will have to be stirring that up. I'll mix it all up together. And then we're going to be needing to use sugar. Now sugar has a smaller granular particles, and that is the reason why I needed to scrub out the dead skin cells on the skin, revealing a brighter new skin. When your skin is clogged, when the pores on your skin is clogged, it makes your skin look rough, aged and wrinkled. Okay, so that's why we need sugar, and I'm gonna be taking 1 tablespoon. Now this is brown sugar guys. If you don't have brown sugar, you can actually use your white sugar, okay? But if you can lay your hand on brown sugar, it's perfect because it works really well. So 1 tablespoon of brown sugar is perfect. And after that we will have to stir. Yeah, stir so that all of the ingredients could be mixed together before we introduce the last ingredient. Okay guys, so I'm going to be needing to use rice powder. Rice is a great natural skin bleaching property that helps to maintain the skin complexion. It helps to remove dark spots, fine lines and wrinkles, and it also helps to retain the skin elasticity. So I'm going to also be putting 1 tablespoon or about that into this. So this is a teaspoon, okay? That's why I'm going to be putting 2 of that. And then I will have to stir. Okay, now to make sure that this actually mix properly, just like what I want, if you have a mixer, you can use it to mix it. But if you don't have, you have a manual mixer just like me, then it is perfect. So I'm going to be using my manual mixer, and I'm going to be mixing it really well. So this actually saved my time of wanting to sit down and mix this for a longer time. The manual mixer is perfect for that. So for this particular ingredient, I kind of use it every day for some while now, and it's been perfect. It's been helping, and it's been, you know, bringing back my skin to a glowing and a beautiful skin. Yeah, so 2 times in a week if you want, but for me I use it every day, and it works really well. So I use it before taking my bath. So let's go to the bathroom. Okay guys, so this is actually going to make you look younger and younger. Alright, so you can see how I look, and let me apply this. Yup. Okay, so for this particular treatment, you cannot store it because it's going to go bad because of the egg. You know, egg does not actually stay. Okay, you can only put it in the refrigerator for some minutes. After you've made it, you put it in the refrigerator for some minutes, and then you apply it just like I'm applying it right now. It was in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Alright. So after that, you give it a little friction, a little massage, a little scrub to get that flawless young skin. You have to do this. Okay guys, so for this particular ingredient, you do not have to scrub too much because of the rice particles in it, okay, so that you do not have to bruise your skin. So you scrub just a little, and then you have to apply it again. Yeah. So after applying it again, then you have to hold on and wait for it to dry. When it dries, it's going to completely tighten up your skin really well, and it's going to hold your skin really tight, and I mean, you're gonna love it. Okay, you can either peel it off or you can just wash it off, but if you can peel it off, it's perfect, because man, it's actually gonna also remove the white heads and the black heads on your skin. And if you must wash this off, you have to wash it off with warm water. Give your skin that satisfaction that she needs, you know what I mean. And then warm water is going to go deep into your pores. It's going to uproot all of the blackheads and whiteheads, and then your skin is going to be looking flawlessly beautiful. Okay, so You leave it for it to dry and then you wash it off. So I'll go wash mine off, yeah, and I'll be right back. So the ingredient in this remedy, in this recipe, is actually very, very, very important and very useful, and it works like really, really mad. Okay, so use this just like I said in the video, and you are going to be loving your skin. Your skin is going to be super duper amazing, and it's going to be super smooth. Okay, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay flawless and bye guys.